it here. Do you know what will happen? The plumber guy will just put the pipe here on the floor. So placement is also very, very important. When you're placing your object, you have to check, especially this for plumbing. Other things, these ones, the client will arrange the way he wants or she wants. But for this plumbing, you have to know where you are placing them because they have to touch the wall. For example, this closet, all the closets are touching the wall, isn't it? So just don't place it anywhere like that. Yeah. So for customization, which you have talked about, this is the house. You see, the client wanted this type of wall. The other one, the client wanted this. So you can customize as per the client desires. So that's one advantage of using ArchiCAD. It will update automatically. The next one is that you can easily design conceptual-based design by customizing and modifying geometrical objects. You can use to pull and push, modeling quickly in the software, and multiple object extrude is also possible. Nowadays, we've got quite a number of components being used. Remember, we also have the solar. See, the component is there, but you have to specify. So you need to customize things like solar, tanks, because you have to give the size of the tank and the height. So you have to design a tank or a solar panel. So ArchiCAD has that particular feature, that particular tool for designing such. Okay. The third one is it can reduce realistic images of models with a large suite of photorealistic rendering. It has a sign render which allows it to render models in high resolution. And then you can also enhance light, texture, shadows, brightness, and much more, and many more things in your model to give it a more realistic look. So that's what we are talking about here. At least it looks more appealing to the eye. You see? When you can even see the doors, they are quite different, the windows. You can change. For example, the client wants something realistic. Do you know lazima aone kitu real? So ArchiCAD, you can have what we call that render tool. Once you apply the material on any given component, you render to make it more realistic. Yeah. So this is what people want. Maybe hii ndio picha amepiga. Hii nyumba ya mtu amepiga picha. Sema amepiga picha hivi. So you have to do it the way umetumiwa picha hivyo. Hope you all know Kiswahili. Yeah. So it's very nice when you're using ArchiCAD. It's faster. You just apply on the model. For example, if maybe in this side, see this side there's no window here. There's no window here. And maybe the client wants a different type of window with a different type of glass. So I just want to show you how you can change that. So when you come to window, ArchiCAD also has those components of the window. You can see when you open, it gives you all the types of windows which you want. So just you pick your window, and then here we give the parameters of your window, like the width, height, and the sill height as well. So let me do maybe 1500. That's the width and the height, 15 by 15 window. Then here in the settings, what we can do, we can change. You see, we have, for example, the glass. I just put it there. You see here, we have the glass. I need the glass for that window. So when I click, I have got a variety of colors. For example, the client wants like a blue glass. So when you change it there, and then you make other parameters like the grades. You see, you have to partition your window. For example, if you want it one glass, fine, there's no grade. But if you want it a grade, it will be fine. For example, let me do that. and then you have 4, 4 for the vertical and horizontal. Then everything remains the same. So whatever you change is there. When I click, and then come and place this window here. So when I come to my 3D, already you can see the window is blue. Yeah. So nowadays you don't need to. Let me just, let me have, which elevation is this? This is the east. No. Yeah, it's the east elevation. Oh, yeah. See that?